Adobe Premiere Pro adjustment color layer panel, free. Want to learn how passive income works? Click the link down below. Drop a like if this helps. Let's go. Let's say you want to access the color panel or the color correction via the adjustment layer. It's quite simple. As you can see, we don't have the color correction panel. Go to Window in the top left hand screen, scroll down, and you can click on Limitri Scopes or Limitri Color. As you can see, the free adjustment panel or the color right here on Limitri Color in the top right hand screen. Or if you want, you can click on your project bin, go to the bottom right, click on this icon right here, new item. As you can see, you can add a free adjustment layer and then drag it on the video timeline. And now if you have the Limitri Color open, you can clearly see you can add color, and it's only going to affect the adjustment layer instead of the video clip. Or should I say, this is the before.
Big Mac? Big Mac? I got the Big Mac.
And this is the after.
Big Mac? Big Mac?